Hello all my viewers. I have a new tool. Look at that. It's a power probe. It's a power probe that's identical to the ones that Snap-on makes, but this one is much cheaper. This is around 60 euros. I bought it on eBay. It's a Chinese one, but I think this will be enough for that, for what I need this. So I'm not related to the seller or the manufacturer of this tool. This is just a video of me using it, so no commercial video here. I paid for this normally, as any other will do. So let's take a look inside. The boxes, it's just alright, straight plastic. It's okay. Instruction manuals, they are in English, so nice, not just in Chinese like other tools. I bought this from UK. It came from UK. So that's the power probe. Oh, long extension cable. Look at that. One extension cable, just even longer if you have to go like twice around the car. Then we have an plug for the cigarette lighter, and one plug for plugging it directly on the battery. So looks good. So let's try this. Let me see where the pin is. Where this pin is. Oh, here is it. Nice. Yeah, very nice. Okay, just plug it in. Wait. Oh, that's nice. Oh, that's very sharp. Okay, I think the tool is ready. Let's get it connected. I think I don't need to read this. Okay guys, the tool works. I got it connected. And let me tell you something straight away. This tool is protected against reverse polarity. I know this because I was connected it wrong from the first time I connected it. So someone here where I'm working was switching this tool. I don't know why, but they was switched, and I just put the clamps here to the wires, and it didn't work. And I thought, man, what? It's broken, new or something. I was checking these wires, all okay, and then I saw it that this one was reversed. So I just reversed them, and everything works. So definitely it's protected. Okay. So let's see on the display what we got here. We got DC voltage, and we switch with this. Here we have AC voltage. We see some kind of line here. I think that's just like an oscilloscope. We can see the signal here. We will try something to do with this. Then we have a simple ohmmeter, and we got position for the diode, so we can see the resistance in volts basically. So let's go to this first, and we try to okay, got some problem with focus. Just a moment. Yeah, that's better, or not. Crap. Let me go to this side. Oh, that's no. So if we touch the plus of our source, or any fuse in the car that's got power on, you will see the power. It's beeping, and we see the power and see a red light. If we touch the ground, it beeps green, okay, and you see 0 voltage. Also, we can switch this the switch on. Okay, if we switch it backwards, it gives the ground directly to the tap, and if we push it forward, we get 12 volt power direct to the tap. There is also a circuit breaker in here. If you tip something that's shorted, I think it's around 9 amps. Is this automatic fuse or circuit breaker inside? It will shut off the it will turn off the voltage, so you cannot burn something with this tip. I think it's around 9 amps, which is not very little. This is a high amperage, so need to be careful with this. What you're tipping. Okay, let's go any further. So also we got a ground cable here. It goes out. It's a crocodile on it. On this cable there's ground, always ground. So this way we can test bulbs and stuff. We just connect one pole to the minus ground and we press it for positive. We touched. See? If I don't press it, there's nothing here. So we can play with this. Then we have let's go for the ohm meter first. If we are on the ohm meter, we have infinitive now. If we touch the ground and the ground here, okay, we have 0 ohms. See, that's working. If we go to the diode icon, we touch the ground, we have 0 volts. So yes, so if this was a diode, it was shorted this way. Then we have this AC reading. Okay, I just can try to touch positive tip. Okay. Okay, we got a signal here. See, I'm just touching the positive wire, so I'm generating a frequency with this when I'm touching the wire, and I can see the frequency here. You see it? Okay, I will try. 10 hertz. That's what it says. I'm not touching it exactly the same time, so it's very hard for him to measure the frequency. But yeah, it's working. A little bit faster. See, the frequency is getting higher. So yeah, it's working. So I think we can measure a camshaft with this. I don't know if a crankshaft will go. The frequency is much higher there, but for measuring a camshaft, definitely it's okay. Or a Hall effect sensor. You don't need an oscilloscope anymore for this. At least you can check if the wire is good, or if the sensor is good, if you get something out of the sensor. So that's basically what this tool is offering. For me, this is a very good tool. I will use it definitely. It's replacing the ohm meter. It's replacing the voltmeter. It's replacing the standard 12 volt lamp for circuit testing, and it also replaced a little bit of an oscilloscope, you can see here. So good tool for me. You will see me this tool using this tool in some videos. So yeah, this is it. I'm glad I bought this. So see you in the next video.